Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play multiplayer in Subway Surfers. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to play Subway Surfers with your friends, here's exactly how multiplayer works in this game. First, you're going to want to tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you need to connect your game to either Game Center or Facebook. If you haven't done this yet, make sure to connect one of these accounts because this is the only way to access the multiplayer leaderboard features. Once you're connected to either Game Center or Facebook, go ahead and exit the settings menu. Now, from the main screen, tap on Top Run, which you'll find below your high score section. After tapping Top Run, you'll see a list of your Facebook or Game Center friends along with their highest scores. This is where the multiplayer feature comes into play. It's important to understand that multiplayer in Subway Surfers is not real time. You can't run side by side with your friends in a live match. Instead, you compete by trying to beat your friends' high scores on the leaderboard. The better your run, the higher you climb compared to your friends. Even though it's not a live racing mode, it's still a really fun way to challenge each other and see who can get the highest score, and that's it. This is how you can play multiplayer in Subway Surfers. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.